Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to run Lightroom on your computer. You will need to follow these steps. Begin by downloading a software called BlueStacks for your PC. Open your internet browser in your computer and in the search bar type BlueStacks. Click on the first link that appears and then select the blue download option. After the setup file is downloaded, proceed to open it. The installation may take some time as there are several additional files that need to be downloaded. Please be patient during this stop. The next step is to sign into your Gmail account. If you have not already, once the sign in process is complete, use the search option in the Play Store and type Lightroom in the search bar. You will see that Lightroom is now installing, and once the installation process is finished, you can start using Lightroom on your PC. Now make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.